Are you experiencing unclear dialogue or distorted sound with your BRAVIA TV? Here are settings to enhance audio on Android 11 TVs. For other versions, visit our support site. To reset sound settings, go to Quick Settings, scroll to Sound Settings. Under the Sound menu, select Advanced. Then, select Reset to restore factory default. Select Yes to confirm. If your TV's sound is consistently low, increase the offset to maximum for optimal output. Go to Quick Settings, scroll to Sound Settings. Under the Sound menu, select Advanced. Then select Input Related and select Volume Offset. Adjust between -6 to +6 for optimal sound output. Do you find it hard to hear the commentator or dialogue on your TV? Depending on your TV, you can adjust the sound using the voice zoom function or the dialogue enhancer. For dialogue enhancer, go to Quick Settings, scroll to Sound Settings. Under the Sound menu, select Dialogue Enhancer. Adjust between minimum to maximum for your optimal settings. You can adjust your TV's dynamic range to either standard or compressed. To adjust, go to Quick Settings, scroll to Sound Settings. Under the Sound menu, select Advanced. Then select Input Related and choose Dynamic Range. Standard maintains the original volume levels, preserving the difference between quiet and loud sounds. Compressed increases the overall volume and makes audio easier to hear by reducing the volume difference. If you still experience issues, make sure the TV's software is up to date. Then, reset the TV. To perform a power reset, press and hold the power button on the remote control. Then select Restart when prompted. If the issue persists, visit our support website for further instructions or contact us for further assistance. Thank you for watching.